Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today is the fourth lecture about the heme metabolism. In this lecture, we will discuss the metabolic disorders related with the heme synthesis. The porphyrias. Porphyrias are the metabolic disorders of the heme synthesis characterized by the increased excretion of the porphyrins or the porphyrin precursors. Porphyrias are either inherited or acquired. They are broadly classified into two categories, organ or cell, or on the basis of clinical features. On the basis of the organ or the cell, the porphyrias are further subclassified into erythropoietic porphyria and hepatic porphyria, while acute or cutaneous on the basis of the clinical features. All the known porphyrias are inherited as autosomal dominant disorders, while the congenital erythropoietic porphyria is autosomal recessive. Here is a summary of the porphyrias. Hepatic porphyrias are the acute intermittent porphyria, porphyria cutanea tarda, hereditary coproporphyria, variegate porphyria, while the congenital erythropoietic porphyria and protoporphyria belongs to the erythropoietic porphyria. The acute intermittent porphyria, the enzyme involved is the uroporphyrinogen 1 synthase, while its sign and symptoms are the abdominal pain, neuropsychiatric symptoms, while the results of the laboratory test are the uroporphybrinogen positive, while the uroporphyrin positive also. In the porphyria cutanea tarda, the defective enzyme is the uroporphyrinogen decarboxylase. Its sign and symptoms are the photosensitivity, while the laboratory results are the uroporphyrin positive and porphybrinogen negative. Hereditary coproporphyria, the enzyme involved are the coproporphyrinogen oxidase, while its sign and symptoms are the abdominal pain, photosensitivity, neuropsychiatric symptoms. And its clinical laboratory results are the urinary porphybrinogen positive, urinary uroporphyrin positive, and fecal protoporphyrin positive. Next is the variegate porphyria. The enzyme involved is the protoporphyrinogen oxidase, while its sign and symptoms are the abdominal pain, photosensitivity, neuropsychiatric symptoms, and its laboratory results are the urinary porphybrinogen positive, fecal protoporphyrin positive. Next is the congenital erythropoietic porphyria. Enzyme defect is the uroporphyrinogen 3 co-synthase, and its synthase, and its sign and symptoms are the photosensitivity, increased hemolysis, and its results of the laboratory test is the uroporphyrin positive and the porphybrinogen negative. Next is the protoporphyria. Protoporphyria, the enzyme defect is the ferrochelatase, and its sign and symptoms are the photosensitivity, while the results of the laboratory test is the fecal protoporphyrin positive, red cell protoporphyrin positive. Test and the treatments. The spectrophotometry is used to test for the porphyrins and their precursors, while the treatment for the porphyrias are, it is hoped that the treatment of the porphyria of gene level will become possible. Avoid the drugs that can involved in the induction of the cytochrome P450. Ingestion of the large amount of the carbohydrates for or administration of the hematin may repress the ALA synthase. Intravenous injection of the hemin, which decrease the synthesis of the ALA synthase. Injection of the beta carotene to decrease the protection of the free radical, so diminish the photosensitivity, and also use the sunscreen to filter out the visible light. All these are the treatments of the porphyrias. Level of the metabolic blocks determines clinical features, early block and in later block. In the early block, even first tetrapyrrole ring does not occur. Defect may present acute pain crisis, while in the later block, beyond the formation of the first tetrapyrrole ring, the clinical features are the porphyrins accumulated in the patient's skins. Adverse effect. The adverse effect of the porphyrias are they cause the abdominal pain, neuropsychiatric disturbance due to the enzyme defect leading to the accumulation of the tetrapyrrole intermediates, show photosensitivity, skin itching, burns when exposed to the light. Porphyrin mediate formation of the superoxide radicals from the oxygen. The porphyrins, when exposed to the light, become excited and then react with the molecular oxygen to form oxygen radicals. These species injure lysosomes and other organelles. Damaged lysosome release their degradative enzyme, causing the variable degree of the skin damage, including scar. Reactive oxygen species can oxidatively damage the membrane and release the destructive enzyme from the lysosome, and the destruction of cellular component lead to the photosensitivity. ALA may block action of the inhibitory neurotransmitter also. This was all about the porphyrias. Basically, these are the metabolic disorders related with the synthesis of the heme due to the some enzymes involved in the pathway of the heme synthesis. Defect of the enzymes present in the pathway of the heme biosynthesis.